In this video, I will be showing you how to reset Google Chrome browser settings to the default one. So let's get started. For this, in Google Chrome browser, to the rightmost top you'll be having this three dots icon. Select it and click on settings. In settings, to the left we'll be having this reset settings. Select it. Here we are having restore settings to their original defaults. Click this. These are the things that's going to happen if we reset the settings. Reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history and save passwords won't be affected by this reset settings. So make sure that you are reading this, and if you want to check this, you can just select reset settings. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.